Graphcore AI 10, Graphcore for beginners. Graphcore AI is a company that develops specialized hardware and software for machine learning and artificial intelligence. It was founded in 2016 by Nigel Toon and Simon Knowles, who previously sold their chip company Icera to NVIDIA. Graphcore's main product is the Intelligence Processing Unit, IPU, a processor that can handle large and complex AI models with high speed and efficiency. Graphcore also provides a software stack called Poplar, which translates programs written in popular frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch to run on the IPU. Graphcore AI has applications in various domains, such as finance, biotech, scientific research, and AI-native startups. Some of its customers and partners include Microsoft, Dell, Samsung, Meta Platforms, and Paperspace. Graphcore AI aims to enable the next generation of AI computing, with plans to build a supercomputer called the Good Computer, which will have more parameters than a human brain has synapses. FYI, Graphcore's Intelligence Processing Unit, IPU, is a specialized processor designed for artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, workloads. Here are some details about Graphcore's IPU. 1. Purpose: the Graphcore IPU is specifically optimized for accelerating AI and ML tasks, including deep learning training and inference, natural language processing, NLP, computer vision, recommendation systems, and more. It is designed to handle large-scale parallel processing and complex neural network models efficiently. 2. Architecture: Graphcore's IPU features a unique architecture tailored for AI and ML workloads. It consists of thousands of processing cores interconnected by a high-bandwidth fabric, enabling massive parallelism and efficient data movement. The architecture is designed to maximize performance, energy efficiency, and scalability for demanding AI applications. 3. Software stack: Graphcore provides a comprehensive software stack to support development and deployment on its IPU platform. This includes programming frameworks, libraries, and tools optimized for the IPU architecture, as well as integration with popular AI frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. The software stack enables developers to leverage the full capabilities of the IPU while simplifying the development process. 4. Performance: Graphcore's IPU delivers industry-leading performance for AI and ML workloads, enabling faster training times, higher throughput, and better efficiency compared to traditional CPU or GPU-based solutions. The highly parallel architecture and specialized hardware accelerators allow the IPU to handle complex neural network computations with exceptional speed and accuracy. 5. Scalability: Graphcore's IPU is designed to scale efficiently from single-chip devices to large-scale clusters of interconnected IPUs, enabling organizations to build AI systems of any size and complexity. The scalable architecture allows for flexible deployment across data centers, edge devices, and cloud environments, supporting a wide range of use cases and deployment scenarios. 6. Applications: Graphcore's IPU is suitable for a variety of AI and ML applications across industries such as healthcare, finance, automotive, retail, and more. It can be used for tasks such as image recognition, speech recognition, natural language understanding, autonomous driving, drug discovery, and personalized recommendations, among others. 7. Partnerships: Graphcore collaborates with leading technology companies, research institutions, and industry partners to accelerate the adoption of its IPU technology. This includes partnerships with cloud providers, system integrators, software vendors, and academic institutions to develop and deploy AI solutions powered by Graphcore's IPUs. Overall, Graphcore's Intelligence Processing Unit, IPU, represents a breakthrough in AI and ML acceleration, offering unparalleled performance, scalability, and efficiency for a wide range of applications and use cases.